I'm working with Angel. Welcome.
I thank you so much. I was catching up with Terry Kahn.
She's over there chatting.
Sharing with her my juice recipe. I've been making my own juice because everybody is sick. So I've just been making my own green juice and drinking it because I always feel better after I have it. So I was
well, good for you. Is that why you look so radiant? Because you've been drinking a lot of green juice?
Well, you're very kind. Okay, we'll keep her, right? We will keep her. And it's also a lot of makeup.
Okay.
But thank you, because I'm a little tired from our marathon National Quacker Day yesterday.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I'm so happy you're here with me in person. It's just so fun. And I want to talk a little bit about you. Because you've been with Quacker Factory for a long time.
Yes, so I started here as a model over 30 years ago, and then Jean Bice and I developed a friendship, a relationship, and 15 years ago, yesterday, was my anniversary of being on the on-air Quacker team. So, it's National Quacker Day and my anniversary, so it's been fun. So I've been doing this a long time, and I can't do what I do without you, and of course our fabulous design team, John Schrader, our artist. You all know him. He and I did a show together during the P word, that the pan terrible word, we did a show every Wednesday at this time, and so he got to share all of his knowledge about why he was inspired by different things. But so I'm going to be his voice, in addition, because I can't draw a straight line with a ruler. Know a little something about me. I do makeup really well, but straight line with a ruler, can't do it.
Wow. How do you make your eyeliner straight then? That's a question for another day.
Another day.
Angel, I'm so happy to have you here. I want to dive into this beautiful shirt.
Great.
Talk about telling a story with a shirt.
With embroidery.
With embroidery and this dangle.
Yeah,
I mean, this is absolutely stunning. This is the Quacker Factory Charm School 3/4 sleeve top. This is new this week. Only an order of the year. On sale already for $51.98. 500 of these were ordered yesterday. Let's go through the colors. This is what we're calling French blue, although I think it should be called American blue. I don't know why it's not called American blue. Look at that. I mean, how amazing is that going to be for all of the patriotic holidays coming up?
100%.
Here is grass green.
And this is more of a serenity, little girl's garden outside, just chilling, reading a book, having some tea readily available. You can just see all the different textures of the embroidery in there as well. Of course, accented.
This is like
stones.
my retirement plan.
Oh yeah.
So if I wanted to make a vision board of how I want to retire, I want to have tea in this teapot with these little sandwiches. I mean, look at the details. Even the hat with the little flowers.
Amazing. Just to point out, if you're hyperallergic to our metallic thread, just be forewarned. There's a little metallic thread there, so maybe just wear a tank top underneath.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so then this is sand.
Yes.
And this, of course, it's named very appropriately because they're at the beach.
And the pants that we have on also come in sand. We'll be talking about them later. So if you like that head to toe monochromatic look, this is a beautiful thing. And when I look at this, I think I have 3 sisters, 2 older, 1 younger, one has passed. But we loved the beach as kids. My grandparents had a house at the beach, and so we would go. And this is kind of always my happy place. It's like once I go, I dip my feet in the sand, all of my problems seem to just drip off. So this kind of reminds me of that. And, yesterday, since yesterday was National Quacker Day, what our team did is we reimagined some designs from the past and brought them back again. This is one of those. I mean, Jean Bice loved all Americana holidays. And so she was a huge Americana fan, so much that we theme, like later this year, we call it Let Freedom Bling.
Oh, I love that.
Right? So cute. So we do a lot of Americana stuff, and this is the first of the year for that.
Wow.
And then of course we have, we love a little beach scene, we love a little garden scene, 60% cotton, 40% polyester, 3/4 length sleeves, round neckline, easy care, easy wear, turn it inside out. I think it says you could dry it in the dryer.
It says machine wash, tumble dry.
Yeah,
I'd probably like lay it flat to dry.
Totally.
Yeah, and the sizes extra small through 5X.
That's right.
Yeah, but lay this flat to dry. I absolutely agree with that. And snatch up that one, the French one, the French blue.
Oh, you know what? Absolutely, the French blue.
Yeah, because that's going to, the holidays are going to be coming up. I mean, we're only a month and a half away from spring.
Yeah.
And this will be the perfect thing for all of those patriotic holidays and 4th of July.
Absolutely. President's Day is coming.
Yeah.
Soon after Valentine's Day. So you could wear it on, you could get it home and wear it for President's Day.
Absolutely.
You know, just for that little bit of red, white, and blue. Jean always had her home decorated in Americana from May through September. So from Memorial Day through 4th of July, Flag Day, all the way to Labor Day in September. And so we still like to add that. But look at the detail of the embroidery.
I know.
Stars.
Even this dangle right here.
Yeah.
That's just so beautiful. I should ask you too, what do you wear underneath this? Because is this going to touch your skin?
This is going to touch your skin.
Okay.
But feel that. Will you feel that for me?
It's not bad.
It is nice and soft.
Yeah.
The only thing I can say is that if you are hypersensitive, there is gold metallic thread in some of these pieces. So you may feel that if you're hypersensitive. I don't feel it.
No,
but I
me
almost
neither.
always wear like a tank underneath, especially for when I'm on air.
Yeah.
So just consider that, but you shouldn't feel anything. But this just goes to show the quality of the embroidery.
Right. Look at the quality and even the crystals. What's the process for this?
Well, first of all, John Schrader, our artist, hand sketches each design, determines what color goes where, what, oh goodness, the word just went out of my head. What kind of embroidery, you know, what technique to be used. And he sends it to the factory, and then they create this beautiful detail. Now, sometimes we don't get it right 100% of the time. Like sometimes the designs need to be tweaked. So they come to our design team for approval. And then sometimes they might be like, okay, that we need to shrink it a little bit. We need to change these rhinestones to stars. We might need to change a color or something here and there.
Oh, look at her in the.
But that is the process. So you're looking at
the
Luann.
grass green Luann.
Yes, Luann is almost 5'10". She's wearing our size extra small or small on the top, depending upon what was available for her. Generally, she's an extra small on top and a small on the bottom.
That's a vibrant green.
It really is.
That is a really bright and beautiful green. And that looks gorgeous on her. I love the round neck. All right, let me show the colors again. So that was grass green, which is right here. This is French blue, but it has the American patriotic scene. And here is sand, which has the two ladies on the beach. That should be us, me and you, Angel.
Absolutely.
$51.98.
Make sure you wear the
Only order
bikini.
of the year. This is new. Wear the bikini.
I'll wear
no,
the
you
one
wear
piece.
the
I'll wear the one piece.
It's the Quacker Factory Charm School 3/4 sleeve top. Item number A681258. Give us a call, 800-500-7590. We're just a few minutes away from our